ఓకేనా? ఒక క్వాడ్రెంట్ తీసుకున్నా. క్వాడ్రెంట్ మనకి 360 డిగ్రీస్ని 4 పార్ట్స్ చేసుకుందాం. ఇది మనకి 0 to 90 degrees, ఇది 90 to 180 degrees, this is 180 degrees to 270 degrees, this is 270 to 360 degrees. This is the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, this is quadrant 4. Here all students take care. All means all trigonometric ratios are positive. Sin theta, cos theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, cot theta, tan theta. These are all 6 ratios are positive in the quadrant 1, 0 to 90. Here other student first letter S. That means sin theta and its opposite cosecant theta here positive, remaining all are 4 ratios are negative. Here observe the first letter T. T means tan theta and its opposite is cot theta. These two are positive here, remaining 4 ratios are negative. Now observe here first letter C. Cos theta, its opposite is secant theta. These two are positive, remaining 4 ratios are negative. Okay, now all students take care. And 90 degrees to 70 degrees ratios will be changed. That means sin theta convert to cos theta, cos theta convert to sin theta, secant theta convert to cosecant theta, cosecant theta convert to secant theta, tan theta convert to cot theta, cot theta convert to tan theta. When 90 degrees and 270 degrees. Next 180 degrees and 360 degrees ratios will not be changed. The sin theta ne, cos theta ne, secant ne, cosecant ne, tan ne, cot ne. When 180 degrees and 360 degrees. And 90 and 270 ratios will be changed. Okay na?